I lay hands on you, it is not when I laid hands on you that the gifts of the Spirit came in you. Listen carefully now. If you miss this one, you shouldn't have come to this service. From the day you receive Jesus, everything you will need in your whole lifetime came in. Everything. After you receive Christ, nothing is added to you. After you receive Christ, nothing is added to you. The only thing you need after receiving Christ now is the knowledge of everything you received the day you were saved. God doesn't add anything to you anymore all your lifetime. Nothing. Nothing, nothing. The only thing now that is added to you after salvation is the knowledge. Look at me, everybody. Are you following? Don't miss this at all. So when you hear Christians praying for God to add some things to them, they are in unbelief. Those prayers are products of ignorance. God adds nothing to a believer after salvation. Salvation came with the gifts of the Spirit, all of them. Salvation came with everything that makes God God. You receive all things that pertain to life and godliness. Everything came the moment you got. Listen, if somebody just heard what I'm preaching now and believes what I'm preaching now, everything that makes God God comes on his inside at that moment. And nothing will be added to him again till he leaves this world. Nothing. The only thing now he will now begin to do all his lifetime is to learn of what came in that one encounter. That's why nothing can be greater than salvation in Christianity. Nothing. Nothing can be greater than salvation in Christianity. You are given everything. You have all the 9 gifts. When I lay hands on you, it's called impartation. It's not called addition. Laying of hands is impartation. It's not addition. Impartation does not add something to you. If nothing else is added. I'm teaching good tonight. Nothing else is added once you're born again. What impartation does is when I lay hands on you, I provoke what is lying dormant inside you to be stirred up. I'm not adding something. I'm only helping you to stir up. It's like a battery that runs down. You don't add anything to that battery. When you connect it to another battery that is charged, all that battery does is to wake that one up. When hands are laid on you, nothing is added. But what it does is deep collect to deep. If I'm teaching, say I hear you. When men of God tell you that if you don't behave, I will withdraw my grace, it's calm. It is calm. Which grace are you withdrawing? The grace of God brought salvation. No preacher brought salvation. I cannot withdraw from you anything. I can only stir up by laying on of hands what is already inside. So all this tap into grace is fraudulent. It's not palm wine. You don't tap. He said to Timothy, according to the prophecies that went before on you, that by them you might war a good warfare. Then he says, stir up the gift of God that is in you. What is in you? The gift of God.